Audio of my Diamondback DB15 AR-15 pistol in 7.6x3.9. Run a couple rounds in semi, then we'll try to run it super safe. Alright, let's try this thing in fun switch mode. Skipped around. Try it again here. Holy crap. You'll get another mag. Alright, let's run another mag through that thing. Empty. Man, that thing's crazy. Let's do another mag. Fuck it. Really put it through the paces here until I get my suppressor. Try this again here. Holy shit, that thing's insane. Well, that's a Diamondback DB15 AR-15 pistol with a in 7.6x3.9 with a Atrius fun switch in it. That thing is wild.